How to activate Revolut eSIM. Arriving at an international destination only to get slapped with a predatory data roaming fees from your primary carrier is a massive financial headache. While physical travel SIMs are an option, swapping out tiny pieces of plastic at an airport kiosk is entirely outdated. So today we are deploying a high-speed digital roaming data profile straight through your Revolut app, giving you instant connectivity the second your plane touches the tarmac. Okay, so just launch the Revolut app on your smartphone, make sure you're running the latest software update, and navigate down to the Lifestyle tab on your bottom menu tray. Or simply use the global search bar at the top and type in eSIM. Tap on the eSIM application widget and select Get Data Plan. The system will present three geographic coverage tiers: local for single country tracking, regional for cross-border travel, like the European Union, and global covering over 100 countries. Select your target destination, pick your required data volume allocation block, and complete the secure in-app checkout sequence. The exact second your payment clears, a prompt reading Install eSIM will materialize on your dashboard screen. So just tap that button to initialize the automated profile provisioning. And then for iOS users, open your primary iPhone settings, and then go and select Mobile Service or Cellular. Under the SIMs subheader, select your newly deployed Revolut eSIM profile. Your phone will automatically name it, but ensure to toggle Turn on this line to On. Next, look for the option Data Roaming and switch that to On as well. And finally, go back one step, tap Mobile Data, and check the box to route all active data exclusively through your Revolut line while leaving your home SIM active solely for emergency. And for Android users, you go straight into your phone system settings, network and internet, select SIMs, tap cleanly on your downloaded Revolut profile, and ensure that the master toggles for use SIM, mobile data, and data roaming are all firmly turned on. So also keep in mind that your purchased travel data plan validity window officially starts ticking down the exact moment the installation profile completes. That is it, guys. Keep your mobile environments and travel setups fully optimized. Ensure you follow all the steps, and thank you for watching.